This time on Try, I'll be making a fairy door. In our neighborhood, we have a lot of very large trees, and some of them have little recesses, and that suggests there might be a fairy living inside. So I took a crayon and scribbled around the outlines of one of those recesses, and I'm going to make a cardboard prototype. Taking a piece of scrap plywood, I cut out the form and gave it a coat of neutral paint to match the bark, and then a bright red door. And then I found some old hinges. It opens and closes very well. And I found an old kitchen knob sample that is kind of pretty and looks like something a fairy might use. So we install it. I go back to the tree, and every hole, of course, will be a little different. This one says that at the base of this very large tree is a very special place.